Good morning class 10th. How are you? I hope all of you are very well at your home. In previous lecture we have completed up to exercise 4.3 of quadratic equation. Okay. In today's lecture we will try to understand the meaning of nature of the root. So let's begin. Nature of roots. How can we find the nature of the roots? So first of all we have to understand, or we need to understand the meaning of b square minus 4ac. Okay, what is b square minus 4ac? Question is this. So b square minus 4ac is discriminant, a discriminant of quadratic equation. Okay, and it is also represented by capital D. Now there are three cases will arise. First case, when D is greater than 0 or b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then nature of roots will be real and distinct. Okay, what is the meaning of distinct? It means two separate roots. Case 2, when D is equal to 0 or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then nature of roots will be real and roots will be equal. Okay, real and equal. And the last case, case 3, when D is less than 0 or b square minus 4ac, the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Okay, then the nature of roots will be imaginary, okay, or no real roots. I hope all of you have understood the meaning of these cases. Okay, so let's start the exercise. Exercise here, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. Okay, so first part, there are three parts in question number 1. So we are going to find the answer of first part. You can see here, first part is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. So what will you do here? First of all, you have to compare with the standard identity or standard form. Okay, on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then the coefficient will be a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Now we are going to find the nature of the root. So here, for nature of roots, what we have to do? We will use b square minus 4ac. So D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so b square minus 4ac, what is the value of b? 3 minus 3 square 4, value of a is 2 and the value of c is 5. So minus 3 square give us 9 and 5 2 ja 10, 4 ja 40. So result will be minus 31. So you can write here D is less than 0. Okay, therefore no real roots exist. I hope all of you have understood the process to solving the given problem. Okay, now come for the second part. Second part of this question is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Same process we will repeat here. We have to write, or we need to write here, on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will get a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. Now, nature of the rule. Let d is equal to b square minus 4ac, or what is the value of b? Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4, 3 and 4. So, if you will simplify it, root 3 square give us 3, 4 square give us 16. So, 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So, here d is equal to 0. So, roots will be, therefore roots will be real and equal. ओके, रूट्स क्या होंगे? रियल होंगे और इक्वल होंगे. आइए रूट पता कर लेते हैं. सो फॉर फाइंडिंग द रूट वी हैव टू यूज हियर, और वी विल यूज हियर quadratic formula. By quadratic formula x is equal to roots of quadratic equation. X is equal to minus b minus root d by 2a and minus b plus root d by 2a. What is the value of b? The value of b is minus 4 root 3, or here also minus 4 root 3 minus the value of d means b square minus 4ac is 0 by 2 and the value of a is 3. Same, minus 4 root 3 plus 0 by 2 and 3. Simplify it, 4 root 3 by 6, 4 root 3 by 6, or 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. These are equal and real roots. I hope you have understood clearly. Okay. Now the third part of this question is homework. Come for the second question. Now the question is, find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Okay, and there are two parts of this question. So let's start the solution. Solution of first part. First part is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0, and we can write here in given format two equal roots. What is the meaning of two equal roots? It means d is equal to 0, and what is d? D is nothing but discriminant, and discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now what we have to do? We need to write here one more thing. We can write here on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. What is the coefficient of a? Value of a is 2, value of b is k, and value of c is 3. Okay. Now we will write here the given thing. What is given thing? Two equal roots. What is the meaning of two equal roots? It means d is equal to 0 and d is b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now substitute all the values related to this variable. The value of b is k, so k square minus 4, the value of a is 2 and the value of c is 3 is equal to 0. So k square minus 4 2 ja 8 3 ja 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24. So k is equal to root 24. Now you can write here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, one pair will come out from root, square root. So k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6. Okay, so what is the value of k in this question? Plus minus 2 root 6. Now come for the second part. First of all, you have to write this equation in a standard form. It means expand this equation. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. On comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k and c is equal to 6. Okay. Now given what the thing is given, d is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, minus 2k whole square minus 4k and 6 is equal to 0. What is expanded? So 4k square minus 24 k, okay, is equal to 0. Now you can take common 4k. So 4k if you will take common 4k, then the remaining portion is k minus 6 is equal to 0. Equate both the factors with 0. If 4k is equal to 0, so k is equal to 0. If k minus 6 is equal to 0, so k is equal to 6. Okay, I hope all of you have understood clearly how can we solve this problem. Okay, now come for the next problem. Now question is it possible to design a rectangular mango group whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meter? Now question is started from helping verb. It means we need to give the answer in yes or no. Okay, but how? Definitely after solution, after forming the equation. Okay, now the solution is, here you can see length whose length is twice its breadth. It means we need to find or we need to consider the variable of breadth. So let the breadth be x meter. Why meter? Because area is in meter square. Okay, so the length of mango group will be, what is the length? Length is twice its breadth, so 2x meter. Now as we know, length into breadth is equal to area. So what is length? 2x. What is breadth? X. And area is 800 meters. So definitely it is possible. Okay, so x and x become x square and 2 goes in division form. Okay, so x is equal to root 400 or x is equal to plus minus 20. Okay, so definitely length will not in negative integer. So what we have to consider, x is equal to 20. Okay, so now yes, it is possible. It is possible. Okay, of this question, and length and breadth is length of mango grove is 2x. It means 2 into 20, 40 meter, and breadth x, it means 20 meter. I hope all of you have understood this question. How can we solve it? Okay, come for the next question. Now the question is, Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present age. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in year was 48. Okay. So now the solution is let the age of A, first friend, age of first friend be x years. Okay. So the age of second friend will be 20 minus x years. According to question says 4 years ago the product of their ages in year was 48. तो 4 साल दोनों में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4 is equal to 48. Okay. So x minus 4 and 16 minus x is equal to 48. So 16x minus x square minus 64 and plus 4x is equal to 48. सभी टर्म को राइट हैंड साइड ट्रांसपोज करें. माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर बिकम एक्स स्क्वायर, 4x and 16x become 20x, then minus 20x, and 64 plus 64, so plus 40 and 64, 112 is equal to 0. Now we will decide the nature of the root. Okay, let here A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 20 and C is equal to 112. Let D is equal to B square minus 4AC. What is B? Minus 20 square minus 4A and 112C. 20 square 400 and minus 448. Now you can see here minus 48. So D is less than 0. Now you can write the situation is not possible. Okay. In given situation or situation, therefore situation is not possible. Okay. Why? Because discriminant is less than 0. I hope all of you have understood clearly this exercise, and one more question is remain in exercise, and I request to all of you, please try to solve this question number 5. Okay, question number 5. You can see question number 5. Try to solve it and send the solution of this question by evening. So thank you for watching.